Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to turn on dark mode or light mode on TikTok in 2021. So if you appreciate that, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and also comment down below if you have any questions around the video whatsoever. I would love to help you out. So the first thing you want to make sure is that you have the latest version of TikTok. Go on the Google Play Store or the App Store and type in TikTok, and you want to make sure that there's no update option here. It's just an open option. If that's all good, all you have to do is go on your profile, click on me at the bottom right corner, then tap on three dots at the top right corner, go down until you find an option that says dark mode. Here it is. You click on it, and right now I'm on light mode, but I can switch to dark mode just like this, or switch to light mode. There's also an option that uses your device settings, so based on your preferences. But yeah, if this video helped you out, you know what to do. Give me a like, and I want to see you in the next one.